Hey everyone, Mr. Cunningham here. Just wanted to go through a problem with you to get started. So this is from earlier in the week. If you were still stumped on the right triangle trigonometry stuff, let's go through one of these problems here. So let's look at this. If the hypotenuse of a right triangle is 6, what is the side opposite the 30-degree angle? Well, first I'm going to show you how to do this mathematically, and then I'm going to just show you how with logic and process of elimination, you could get this one correct. So first, mathematically, because it'll help you when process of elimination won't work next time. So let's look at our 90-degree angle here. And we said we have a 30-degree angle. And we want to know what this side, we'll call it opposite. We want to know what the side opposite of the 30-degree angle is going to be, what the length is going to be. So if we're talking about Sohcahtoa, which one of these uses opposite? And we know the hypotenuse is 6. Okay, so which one uses opposite and hypotenuse? That would be sine. Okay, so what this means is that the sine of the angle x is going to equal the opposite over hypotenuse. Well, we know that the angle is 30, so sine of 30 is going to equal the opposite over, we know the hypotenuse is 6. So if you have your calculator, and hopefully you followed my advice and you need to put it in degree mode. It's already in degree mode, so I'm good. The other option would be radian mode. You want it in degree mode. So get back to your screen and you hit sine of 30. That equals 0.5. Okay? So sine of 30 is 0.5, and that equals the opposite over 6. All right, we want to move that, we want to get the opposite side all by itself. So you multiply 6 on both sides. 6 times 1/2 is 3. So 3 is the opposite. Okay, so our answer up there, one of the options was 3. Let's look, so that's how you do this mathematically. How could you have done this logically with process of elimination? Okay, well, hypotenuse, what do we know about hypotenuse? Hypotenuse is the longest side, no matter what, in a right triangle. Okay, the other options, if you recall, let's look at them. 9, 12, 6, and 3. The only option that is shorter than the hypotenuse, this one is equal, this one longer. If a side is not the hypotenuse, it needs to be smaller than the hypotenuse. So that's how you solve it mathematically. This is how you could have got this answer correct logically, by just knowing that it's the only 3 is the only number there that would have been an option. Okay. All right, so hopefully that helped. That's one of several questions. If you get this, all of the assignments that I've assigned so far, including the one that I'm posting, that I just posted about the ladder, you will be done with this class. You'll have 2 semesters worth of credit. Make sure you get it done. Get that credit. Email me if you have questions. See you guys.